There are 30 clans under the THADOU-KUKI tribe, such as the Kipgen and Mizo clans. The THADOU people mostly
Mizo,
live in
zomi
hilly
also I think is
areas.
there.
They celebrate
Amar
two
also.
main cultural festivals:
Clan.
Chavangkut, the harvest festival,
Chavangkut.
celebrated for 3
The
days
harvest
starting on November 1st, and the Hun festival, which is the New Year festival and the most important celebration.
Sibai Kalem Uve Kuki people.
Nadam Namo guys.
Nadam Namo
Namo,
guys.
guys.
Welcome
Welcome
back
back to
guys.
Gabs
Peace
TV.
from Africa guys. I'm here with my elder brother.
Samson aka No Nonsense. I'm here with my boss.
Yeah, Gabs Gabi along from
South Sudan.
Sudan, Africa guys. So we have one video here is basically about learning who are the Kuki people.
Yes.
So
People and the culture.
we,
everything
yes,
was,
we are going to know about you guys, and we reacted to so many music video guys.
Yes, sir.
So it's good always to know who are the people instead of
Judging them.
before judging. Forget of judging.
Okay.
Instead of we reacting to their music
Yeah.
without knowing
Without
their
background.
identity,
Yeah.
background,
Yeah,
right?
to check about
So
their
hope you got it.
background.
We are going to know more about your identity. Maybe one time somewhere we'll meet and we at least we can say what we
can
know
be able
about
to
you.
communicate and we can say what
Yeah.
about your
So
country,
today
what
we
you know
have
about your country.
exactly,
For real.
exactly.
Yes.
So THADOU-KUKI language, guys. So this video actually is long, but we are going to make it into part 1, part 2. So basically here we'll listen. We are going to learn
I will tell you what we are.
who are the Kuki people, guys.
Yes.
And next time we'll be learning your language. Within this video, we'll make it part 2 of learning your own language. So Nadam Namo, guys. Let's go. Don't forget, guys. Stay tuned. Subscribe. We already seeing your support. I'm really so happy for your support, guys.
Yes,
Most of you are following, and at the same time, they are suggesting. So
God
we'll
bless you
keep.
guys for what you are doing.
Thank you so much, guys. We really
I
appreciate
appreciate
your support. We are wishing you all the safety and our prayers with you. We know all whatever is going on in your place, in Kuki or Kukiland or Manipur, guys. We know everything. Just believe the Savior is there, guys.
Yeah.
Our prayer with you, and let's go.
You're ready.
Yes, sir.
Nabon Vin Salam,
Tado.
Kaminsu Andi
Nabon bin
Ay,
Salam.
Nadam Namo.
Sibay.
Hello,
Nadam
my
Namo.
name is Andy.
They also
How
say
are you?
salam.
Salam.
Let's
It's
talk
like
about
Sibay.
the THADOU-KUKI language.
THADOU-KUKI Pao.
THADOU, also known as
THADOU-KUKI
THADOU-KUKI or
which means like
THADOU-CHIN,
people.
is a northern dialect of the Chin Kuki Mizo group and belongs to the Sino-Tibetan language family. The language is mutually intelligible with the Meitei and Gangte dialects. The THADOU people predominantly inhabit the state of Manipur in India, as well as the Sagaing region and Chin state of Myanmar, with nearly 400,000 speakers. A few THADOU speakers also live in the state of Assam. There are 30 clans under the THADOU-KUKI tribe, such as the Kipgen and Mizo clans. The THADOU people mostly
Mizo,
live in
zomi
hilly
also I think is
areas.
there.
They celebrate
Amar
two
also.
main cultural festivals:
Clan.
Chavangkut, the harvest festival,
Chavangkut.
celebrated for 3
The
days
harvest
starting on November 1st, and the Hun festival, which is the New Year festival and the most important celebration. Hun festival is also a time to acknowledge and appreciate the labor and contributions of women to THADOU society. Traditionally, the THADOU tribe worshipped spirits, but due to the influence of European missionaries in the late 19th century, the entire nation has since converted to Christianity. The THADOU Latin alphabet was created by the missionary Lieutenant R. Stewart in 1857, making it the first written script among the Chin Kuki Mizo languages.
Okay, guys, this is really something nice. So today I learned it a lot, guys. So usually or regularly I used to watch their music,
Yeah.
but without knowing their background.
Yes.
So today I came to know that most of the Kuki people, they stay in Manipur, guys.
Yeah.
And also I found out that from Myanmar also, which is not Indian country, guys. So they also have people who speak the Kuki language. So this is what make the Kuki language like I see it like so huge now.
Yeah.
So huge because like having other country also speaking. I don't know how it happened, but maybe I think because maybe Kuki and Myanmar they share the border.
They share the
for
border,
sure because
for
they
sure.
came to know to
Yeah,
speak the language,
The same language.
same language,
Yeah.
right?
They have
And-
this, a lot of things in common.
Yeah, there is some. I'm pretty sure there is some common with the
Yeah.
Myanmar people, Nagaland people also, guys, and Mizo people. So they said they have 30 clan. Kuki has 30 clan. That is really a lot, right?
Very, very too much.
That clan, and I just want to ask guys, because I reacted to Zomi people, Amar people, are they under Kuki? Because if Tati clan is there, then maybe Zomi and Amar will be definitely under the Kuki clan. Just let me know, guys. It's my doubt.
And to mention to what you were saying, and they have 400 native speakers.
Yeah, those are from Myanmar people.
Yeah, from Myanmar.
And-
Main what?
Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Myanmar is
They have
another country
400,000,
sharing the borders
native
with them.
speakers.
So
And also they have two
two festivals.
Yeah, Harvest and Mohan.
Yeah,
Harvest is celebrated for 2 straight days, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Harvest Festival is 1st of November next month only, guys. Wishing you all the best. You
Yeah.
can tell us more. How do you guys celebrate the
Celebrate.
festival?
Yeah.
Or if there is any video link that about that festival,
You
guys,
can suggest us.
suggest us, because
In the comment
I saw
section below.
similarity to South Indian state. They have that harvest festival also, guys.
Yeah, which has
Similarly.
been done 3 months back.
Yeah, so you can send me any link. We want to know that.
Mm.
And the major festival they have, which is the Hoon.
Moon.
Or Hoon?
Hoon.
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 Yeah, Hoon
Yeah.
Festival.
Is to celebrate and to acknowledge
Appreciate
the
also.
contribution, yeah,
Contribution
for the woman labor.
of the labor,
The labor.
and women also.
Yeah, and women also.
I think the Kuki women they play a major role in the
have-
clan,
yeah,
because they acknowledge them in that
They acknowledge
festival.
them,
Like they have really so much
Because in London-
appreciation.
Appreciation, because the women are always contributing, always sacrificing their time, whatever
Yeah.
it is,
And
for,
this is the best
for the
festival.
family and for the society.
So thank you so
Society.
much, guys, and we would love to hear more. Just comment below, let us know more about you. This video was short, but it was really so much important and briefly, so you can tell us the other things
We have
and
learned
share
a
the
lot of
video.
things also.